Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Cecilia here. So we are continuing with our self-development tips where I give you guys tips and tricks on how to survive 2020. So guys, today's topic is how to use affirmations to create positive changes in our lives. Subscribe and come back. So what are affirmations? Affirmations are a way of redirecting your train of thoughts from negative into positive using words. So that is easy, right? So we have all heard of a phrase that whether you believe you can or not, you're right. And this is exactly what affirmation is all about. So your mind tends to overcomplicate things, like I've said in other videos, and it always goes to the more negative side. So guys, I will direct you step by step on how to do affirmations correctly. I'm actually very surprised that very few people do these. I started doing these actually this year, and I've seen a lot of changes for me. Let me tell you guys, I am not even joking about this. I know there are people that are very skeptical when it comes to things of the mind, meditation, visualization, and I understand you, but you do not have anything to lose, guys. You can just try these things out. If they don't work for you, it's okay, you can go to the next thing. But we are talking about everything. We are putting everything in the basket, everything that will help us get better or become a better version of ourselves. So if you're like me and you're really obsessed with self-improvement, you're obsessed with always making yourself better, then this is definitely the video for you. So we know that since childhood, there are a lot of things that have been programmed into our minds that we did not have a lot of choice in, but it was already put into our mind, and now we believe it, and that's how we act. So you have to know that whatever you believe in is who you are. So if this is what you believe in, what you believe you can accomplish, that is the direction that you're going in. So this video is about how to change your subconscious mind from negative into a more positive way. So guys, you can try these and then see if it works for you. The first step you need to do, guys, you need to write down all the things that you worry about constantly. You know, you worry about your weight, your finances, your family, your marriage, or your relationship. The things that you worry about a lot are the things that your mind keeps playing back to you in a negative way. So you should write these things down in a list, and then we go to step 2. So step 2 is you change these words or you change these phrases from negative to positive. When you've written every word, like you have like 7 worries that you always have, write them into a more positive way. And then these positive phrases, do away with the negative phrases. These positive phrases, you need to write them in a present form. So using an example that everybody can relate to, let's say we're talking about money, right? And your negative word was broke. So your positive word would be rich, right? So, or abundance. So what I would write as a phrase is, I am rich, I am wealthy, I have enough. And then make sure it is more personalized. It's about you, it's about your life, it's about your dreams and goals. So do not write we, us, the society, the family. No, we are writing about you. It's all about your mind, and it's your mind you're trying to program. So use I am. It's about me. So I am rich, I am lovable, I am confident, I am worth it, I am a CEO, I am a millionaire, I am kind, I am generous. Use those words. And this is not about the things that you already are. This is about the thoughts that are already negative in your mind, or trying to make them positive. So that means if I know I'm already kind and I am kind, you don't have use I am kind because you already are kind. So we are talking about the things that you worry more about and the things that are more negative. So only change the negative to the positive, put them into phrases. Also, I would like to point out, make them short, make them very short phrases. Like I am rich is very short. I don't have to write it somewhere to remember it, right? So this is about you guys. It's about what you are insecure about. It's not about what the society expects of you or what you think as an adult, as a mom, as a father you're supposed to do. It is about you and the things that you worry about. So we've made it personal. We've written in the present form. They are short phrases and they are positive. Okay? On to the next step. Do this when your mind is free. So especially for me, I've been doing this in the morning. So I wake up in the morning, or if I had a night shift in the morning before I go to bed, I will take a shower, I will do my morning routine, I will brush my teeth, I will drink some water, and then I will say my affirmations. They will take like 5 or 10 minutes. You don't need more than that. So what this does, guys, is your mind is still free. You still haven't gone through the whole day's hustle of thinking and calculating and deciding. So you're still just trying to jog your mind and trying to wake up, let's say, and that is the perfect time to do it. So choose a time that you know you're not going to be called after 2 minutes, or something will not be burning in the kitchen after 1 minute. Take time and then be by yourself. This is personal, because there are things that you'll be saying to yourself that other people will deem as crazy. It seems delusional to just look at the mirror or just sit there and say, I am rich, I am beautiful, I'm confident. There are people who will not, understand that. So this is not for everybody else. This is for you. It is personal, that, like we said. So take your time, find a place, and always say these 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can also put a timer if you're not sure. Yeah, all right. So we already have our phrases. They are short, so we can remember them. So it's very easy to repeat these every day. Okay, that makes me go to the next step, which is repetition. If you start doing this, guys, make sure you repeat it. Make sure you do it every morning. If you're not ready to do it every morning, you can as well leave it. It's not going to work. So you have to really just take time, know that this is something I want to try, and try it for at least 21 days. Try it for at least a month or two, and then see what you feel and how you think about it. So guys, something else I would tell you is there will come a time when you'll notice that your mind is trying to resist the whole process. It is your mind that's what it does. It overcomplicates things, it self-sabotages. It is normal. So what you do is, do not be so hard on yourself. Just continue saying them, continue saying these words to yourself, and eventually your mind will understand and it will get better. If you do it repeatedly, that's why I'm saying do not do it only 1 or 2 days. You need to do it a little bit more often until your mind realizes what you're trying to do. So guys, there are also people who do affirmations in a very formal, very boring way, and this is something that you have to work on, guys. You have to work on your tone, on your excitement, on your enthusiasm, because it's all about you. It's about your future, what you are planning to accomplish. So saying you're rich, like I am rich, I am confident, I am beautiful, that doesn't bring the emotion. It doesn't bring the kind of a feeling you'd feel if you are rich or if you're beautiful and confident as much as you want to be. So guys, put yourself in that reality. Put yourself in the reality where when you're already a CEO, or you're already a millionaire, or you're already a mom, you already have good skin. Put yourself in that position and feel it. So an example is, let's say you're craving your favorite meal. So I am Kenyan. I will crave nyama choma a lot. That is actually grilled meat in English, and it is done in a Kenyan way. You have to go to Kenya to understand. So let's say you're craving nyama choma. So the moment you're thinking about nyama choma, nyama choma, nyama choma, you can even smell it, you can even taste it, you can feel it in your hands before you bite it. You see, all of those emotions that are coming with the word nyama choma is what I'm talking about with affirmations. When you're talking about being rich, when you're talking about being confident, believing in yourself, having self-esteem, all of those beautiful words that you want for yourself, you need to put some emotion to it. You need to really open your senses, feel it, touch it, smell it, and then you will really be in that reality. So what you're doing is you're putting your mind in a reality that is not yet there, and your mind will believe it. This is how easy it is to trick your mind. Your mind will believe what you tell it, and if you tell it every day for like 21 days or 30 days or 60 days or 90 days, eventually you're going to believe that you're this confident, beautiful, rich woman or man. So that is what you're doing with affirmations, guys, and eventually you'll be very surprised how positive your mind is going to change. So, whatever you believe in, guys, that's the direction where you're going to move into, because what we believe is what we are. So, I hope that you guys try this. I hope it works for you, because it's really, really working for me. It is very hard to do affirmations and then go out to the world and be the same person. So, throughout the day, you're just thinking about what you said in the morning, that you're beautiful, that you're confident, and it reflects in how you move, it reflects in how you handle yourself, because your expectations from life are way higher now, and you already felt it in the morning that you're already there. So it's very easy to take action after that and then just go after your dreams. Guys, you'll be very surprised like how much affirmations can work for you. And also on YouTube there are very many videos, and what I do is, while I'm trying to fall asleep and I'm not trying to read a book or to watch a movie or something, I will put these I am affirmations on YouTube. There's like 2 hours or something, leave them on and then sleep, just thinking I am beautiful, I'm confident, I am lovable, all of those beautiful words into your subconscious. So guys, I hope you learn that your mind is your only enemy. I hope you learn how to trick it and do affirmations correctly. I hope it works for you like it has worked for me. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see.